Hi guys, thanks for the follow on Instagram. I thought it'd be so much easier for me to just make a YouTube video as I can easily connect with you and tell you what I'm doing. I This is the first time I've ever made a YouTube video, so I'm sort of still learning. It's going to take me a little while to get used to it, but I'll certainly try my best till then. If you saw my post the other day, I told you about a stock going by the ticker symbol PLTR, and I bought in when I did. You would have made a nice 8% gain, which I was very happy to see. Um, I have a very strong belief for PLTR that they are going to be a huge company in the future. Um, I'm personally holding this stock for a while because I think there's massive growth potential for this company. So I will be holding it for maybe 1 to 5 years, depending on how well they do. Um, so as you can see here, it's gone down a little bit now, but since we bought it today, it's made a nice 7%. Um, so I used obviously technicals when I'd entered the market, and I'll explain that later on. So just some background information about PLTR. So they're basically an American software company, and they just take in all the data analysis, um, and then they basically, here you go. PLTR specialise in data gathering and analysis, most of which the government. So they do it with the army, the navy, the FBI, the CIA also use it. So it's a growing company. Um, Here, Kathy Woods. If you've ever heard of her, she owns an ETF in America, and she recently, a few weeks ago, bought 2.6 million shares of it. She holds a lot of shares in PLTR, and she has a strong belief that they are going to be a huge company in the future. Um, as you can see here, she bought $62.7 million worth a couple of weeks ago, moving it to the 37th largest holding of ARK, which is very positive. So I'm going to go on to the charts here. 1 second. What's going on here? Sorry about this. 1 second. Right, let's go into the dailies. So what I do is I check this is the RSI. So as you can tell by the daily, the RSI is all the way down here. See this line here. So if the orange line keeps coming down as it's done here, comes straight down, this indicates to me that this is a buying point. As you can see, when it's under the line, this always means that it's undersold. As you can see further up, when it reaches this point, this means that it's oversold. Therefore, these lines will cross over and it will cause a drop or a raise, depending on where the stock is. So as you can see here, the lines crossed, meaning that the lines fell, and it came all the way down here. This is still not under the line, so I would always split up your capital if you're going to put any money in. So basically, as you can see, it went down a little bit here. This would also be a great buying point because it's undersold. Therefore, it could, well, majority of the time means that there's going to be a rebound, which is going to bring the price back up. As you can see, it has. But PLTR, there's not much volume coming in at the minute, but again, the tech sector has been struggling recently. So I do believe in the future we're going to see a lot more. As you can see, there has been massive volume coming in throughout the months. Um, let me have a look at the monthlies. It's not been too long since they IPO'd, so you can't go into the yearlies. At the minute with this company, it's a bit all over the place. So I normally use either the monthly or the daily, and then before I'm investing, I will use the hourly. So daily. PLTR it's still in the undersold, so it's looking like it could keep turning up. It's just holding this support line as well here, so it's just trying to break this, and once it breaks this, it could lead. Looks like on my support line, it looks like it's going to bounce off the support line and start heading up as it has today. So there could be a huge yeah, no, I think PLTR is going to keep continuing to go up tomorrow, and hopefully the whole tech sector does. So this is the first video I've ever made. And again, thank you for the follow. I'll be sure to keep you updated with news on stocks and different stocks that you want me to look at. If you have any, please leave a comment and I'll review it for you, and I'll check out the data or the technical analysis for you as well. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good day.